Introducing Leopard Imaging's family of high-performance cameras and modules, designed and optimized for the popular Raspberry Pi 5 platform. Engineered for advanced embedded vision, our lineup includes a series of Raspberry Pi 5 compatible cameras, from global shutter sensors to HDR imaging. These cameras leverage the Pi 5's upgraded MIPI CSI interfaces and enhanced processing power to deliver sharper images, faster frame rates, and real-time computer vision capabilities for industrial, robotics, AI, and automotive applications. Whether you need low-light performance, high dynamic range, or ultra-low latency, we have a camera for your embedded vision solution. Each camera is plug-and-play with Raspberry Pi OS and supported by our open-source drivers and integration tools to get you up and running quickly. Explore our full range of cameras available now. Bring your vision to life on the Raspberry Pi 5 and visit our platform page at www.leopardimaging.com/raspberrypi to learn more.